Hey, I'm James, and I'm going to be teaching you how to solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube and the Rubik's Cube. First, we want the white to get solved. You can do this with any color. White's most common, so I'm just choosing white. And use this. And just get the white solved. Then time for a yellow. Then we're gonna go right, up, right inverted, up, right, up, right inverted. And if you have no colors, it doesn't matter what you face. Right inverted, up, right inverted. And if you have one yellow on it, then it's in the bottom left corner. And do the same algorithm until you get the yellow solved. And then once the yellow solved and it doesn't have all the sides same colors, we want to do this algorithm. Right inverted, front, this way. Right inverted, back inverted 2. 1, 2.
That was, no, you did it backwards.
Oh, okay. No matter what, it didn't matter.
Counterclockwise, there you go.
Back inverted. Right, front inverted. Right.
No, did you go the wrong way at the front?
No, I went front
Okay.
inverted. Back inverted 2. 1, 2. Right 2, 1, 2. Back inverted 2, 1, 2. So now I have the yellow still solved and white still solved. And all of the colors are matching. Boom. 2x2 solved.